Alright guys, it's pretty windy outside, so I'm going to do this part inside, but what we have here today is a Charter Arms 38 Special in the blue diamond, hence the color. This is actually my wife's gun, and they made, Charter Arms started in 1964, and they've made many different revolvers in many calibers. 327 Federal Magnum, 32 H&R Magnum, 44 Special, 45 Long Colt, all kinds. Now this one here, you press this forward and your cylinder pops out, and it is currently unloaded, of course. It's a 5-shot revolver, 2-inch barrel, and it weighs only 14.6 ounces. So we'll go down range and do some shooting and see how it does. And the ammo that I'm using today is Fiocchi 38 Special 130 grain full metal jacket. It's about all I can find, but perfectly fine for shooting targets. Alright guys, here we go. All on double action. And the wind has the target moving around. Not too shabby. That's out about 7 yards. Okay guys, I got another target downrange. And one thing about this gun is you're not supposed to fire plus P ammunition. Well, I'm going to go ahead and fire again in double action only. Alright guys, well, this is Chad from the CMB Experience. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it. Check it out guys, got some hats made.